Here at Micro, we've been designing, building, running automation for decades. I'd say we're pretty good at it. But where we're going now, the direction we've moved in, embracing the world of digital manufacturing, has turned everything we know about building automation on its head. Long gone are the days of very expensive, high capex requirement, monolithic machines that only the highest volume production for the most expensive product lines could afford. We have created a new platform that reduces the cost of entry to almost nothing, and we're working on that, a true zero-cost proposition. We can go straight to robotic manufacturing, digital manufacturing, even for startup product lines, even for validation. So we're using the same validation protocol, same process. We're learning about a product's life from the moment it's born. We're getting all of the data out of that and sharing that, working with our clients to figure out the best way for this product to grow. Even if we grab it at a state of maturity, there's still optimization that can be done through new age robotics because they're data-driven, they're not analog-driven. The other thing that's really fundamentally changed how we look at this is we look at data first and then hardware second. That's, for those of us who've been in this game for a while, it's completely counterintuitive. But with the new rules of the game, it's mandatory. So we'll look at quality requirements first. Second is, what's the data plan that we need in order to guarantee that quality? And based on that data plan, we'll build the hardware based on a standard platform. So we'll look at different sensors, we'll look at different controls, but at its core, we're talking now about data acquisition platforms more than we're talking about a particular robot or a particular slide or a particular motion. And that opens up a whole new world of precision. That opens up a whole new world of product integrity. That opens up a whole new world of supply chain reliability that we weren't able to do just a couple of years ago. And we're just getting started.